In TreePlasm, using the Forestrax module, it is possible to search, view, filter, and download Workplan tasks for various steps that are the responsibility of a particular individual. In order to do this, go to Forestrax Details and then to Steps Tasks. You will then be able to filter the list of all steps tasks according to the responsible person. For example, having filtered on a particular responsible individual, you will then get a list of all the steps and the tasks and associated information that are the responsibility of that person. The list can be refined by applying further filters or by selecting particular dates. For example, one can filter according to priority, according to task type, responsibility. You can also filter according to the quarter that the task is due. Please note that the quarters are the SAPI financial year quarters and not calendar quarters. In other words, the first quarter runs from October to December, the second quarter from January to March, the third quarter from April to June, and the fourth quarter from July to September. Other filters that can be applied include cost allocation, age type, last edit, and edited by. Once a filter has been applied, press the search button to refine the list. The filter can be cleared by clicking on the number of records that are highlighted in blue. If we look at this particular search and we wish to refine it further, for example, we want to know what tasks are due in 2021, we can click on the year in the list of years indicated here. We can then further refine the list by selecting a particular month. Any of the lists under Steps Task can be sorted in the various columns. For example, should you wish to sort this list according to the steps, then click the header. Likewise, the list can be sorted according to sequence, name, task type, and so on. Should you wish to change the order of sorting, in other words, to toggle the sorting, please click. And you will see that the order has been reversed. Okay. If you want to cancel the sort, please click on the cross. We consider this list, for example. Let's apply another filter in addition to the responsible person we have selected, and say we want to look at all tasks that are due in the second quarter. Then click on Search. What is listed is all tasks that are due in the second quarters of multiple years. If we wish to further refine this to the second quarter of, for example, 2020, click on the year 2020 in the list of years. Now have a list of all the tasks that were due in the second quarter 2020. Should we wish to sort this list by date completed, for example, we can click on Date Completed. Toggle the sort, click here. You will note that although April falls outside the second quarter, a task that was completed in April is listed here. This is because the due date was in March 2020. Should you wish to download this list, select All, go to the action box at the bottom of the page, select Export Records in Excel format, and then click on Go to run the selected action. The file will then be downloaded and you can edit it, sort it, extract from it as you wish in Excel. To unselect, just click. Should you wish to only select and download certain tasks, then use the individual boxes next to the lines of date. To clear the filter, click here.